Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. LG has introduced the LG OLED EVO M5, the world's first wireless OLED TV, which sets a new standard for home entertainment. Leveraging the Zero Connect box, this innovative television centralizes all external connections, eliminating the need for messy cables and creating a clean, minimalist aesthetic. Devices like gaming consoles and soundbars connect directly to this box, which then transmits high-quality audio and video wirelessly to the TV with minimal latency, even for 4K content at 144 Hz. The M5 is packed with advanced features to deliver an unparalleled viewing and listening experience. It integrates technologies such as Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, and features the Alpha 11 AI Processor Gen2, which uses AI to optimize picture and sound quality. Its enhanced brightness booster ultimate technology triples the brightness compared to conventional OLED models, and it has received multiple certifications for its perfect black and perfect color. Its stunning display, the M5 offers a comprehensive smart TV experience with WebOS 25. This operating system provides a user-friendly interface with advanced AI features, including up to 10 user profiles with voice recognition, smart home control, and personalized content recommendations. For gamers, the TV's compatibility with NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium, along with a response time of less than 0.1 milliseconds, ensures smooth, tear-free gameplay. The LG OLED EVO M5 is available in 97, 83, and 65-inch sizes. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.